Talk real money tips. Hey everyone, welcome to Business is Money 26 channel. My name is Sean, where I be share tips and tricks to help you improve your financial health. Today, we're going to talk about some tips to help you manage your money better. Tip 1. Create a budget. The first tip is to create a budget. A budget is a plan that helps you manage your money by outlining your income and expenses. Start by listing all your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and transportation costs. Then, subtract your expenses from your monthly income to see how much money you have left over. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Tip 2. Set financial goals. Once you have a budget in place, it's important to set financial goals. This can include saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Setting goals will help you stay motivated and focused on your financial priorities. Tip 3. Track your spending. Another important tip is to track your spending. This will help you identify areas where you're overspending and make adjustments to your budget. You can use an app or a spreadsheet to track your expenses, or simply keep a notebook with you to jot down your purchases. Tip 4. Avoid debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to achieving your financial goals. Avoid taking on unnecessary debt, such as credit card debt, and focus on paying off any existing debt as quickly as possible. This will help you save money on interest and free up more money to put towards your financial goals. Tip 5. Invest in your future. Finally, it's important to invest in your future. This can include contributing to a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA, or investing in stocks or real estate. Investing can help you grow your wealth over time and achieve financial independence. Conclusion. Those are our top tips for managing your money. Remember, financial health is about making smart choices and being intentional with your money. By creating a budget, setting financial goals, tracking your spending, avoiding debt, and investing in your future, you can achieve financial success and live the life you want. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. So don't forget to check out my website. It's brand new. It's called Business is Money 26, same as my channel. Until then, I will be creating more video content on my channel. So this is your boy Sean, I am out.